Hey everyone, today we're talking about something super important for your health: staying hydrated. We all know that water is essential for life, but did you know that staying properly hydrated can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being? From boosting your energy levels to keeping your skin looking its best, staying hydrated is like giving your body a high five. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of hydration. We'll cover everything from the amazing benefits of drinking enough water to easy and enjoyable ways to up your H2O game. We'll also debunk some common hydration myths and give you personalized tips based on your age, activity level, and more. So grab your water bottle and let's get started. Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's like giving your body a superpower boost. When you're properly hydrated, your physical performance skyrockets. You can power through your workouts, crush your personal bests, and recover faster. But it's not just about physical strength. Hydration is brain power too. Drinking enough water helps your brain function at its best, improving your focus, concentration, and even your mood. And ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget about our skin. Proper hydration gives your skin that healthy, radiant glow we all strive for. But wait, there's more. Staying hydrated also helps your body flush out toxins more efficiently, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. From feeling energized to thinking clearly and having that radiant glow, staying hydrated is the foundation for a healthier, happier you. Let's talk about recognizing if you're not drinking enough water. Our bodies send signals when something's off, and dehydration is no exception. One of the first signs is a dry mouth. Your mouth feels like the Sahara Desert. That's your body saying, I need water. You might also notice dry skin or more headaches. Those headaches can be a real downer. Feeling tired and sluggish? Dehydration could be the reason. Another sign is the color of your urine. Dark yellow urine means you need more water. If you have these symptoms, grab that water bottle and rehydrate. So, how much water should you actually be drinking each day? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer because everyone's needs are different. But a good general guideline is the 8x8 rule. You've probably heard of it. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. That's about half a gallon of water. Now, this is just a starting point. Your individual needs will vary depending on several factors. For example, if you live in a hot and humid climate, you'll need to drink more water to compensate for the fluid loss through sweat. Similarly, if you're physically active and breaking a sweat, you'll need to replenish those fluids by drinking more. Age also plays a role, and remember, certain health conditions can also influence your hydration needs. It's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine your optimal water intake. Drinking plain water all day can get boring, but don't worry, I've got some creative and tasty ways to make hydration more enjoyable. Add fresh fruits, veggies, and herbs to your water. Think of it as a spa day for your water bottle. Slice cucumbers, lemons, or oranges for a flavorful boost. Add fresh mint leaves or ginger for an extra kick. Explore the world of herbal teas. Herbal teas are caffeine-free and delicious. Coconut water is a fantastic natural electrolyte drink. Don't forget about water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumbers. All right, let's clear the air and debunk some common hydration myths that often cause confusion. Myth number 1, you can only stay hydrated by drinking plain water. False. While water is the best choice for hydration, other beverages like milk, juice, and even some fruits and vegetables can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Myth number 2, caffeinated beverages dehydrate you. This one's a bit tricky. While it's true that caffeinated drinks like coffee and tea have a mild diuretic effect, meaning they can increase urine production, moderate consumption shouldn't lead to dehydration. And finally, myth number 3, you should drink water even if you're not thirsty. This one's a bit of a gray area. While it's generally recommended to drink water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty, it's essential to listen to your body's signals. Remember, knowledge is power. By separating fact from fiction, you can make informed decisions about your hydration habits. Let's talk about the dynamic duo hydration and exercise. When you're sweating it out, whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or dancing up a storm, staying hydrated is non-negotiable. Think of it this way. Your body is like a high-performance machine, and water is the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. When you're dehydrated, your performance takes a hit. You might feel sluggish, experience muscle cramps, and even feel lightheaded, but when you're properly hydrated, you can power through your workouts, push your limits, and recover faster. Hydration helps regulate your body temperature, lubricates your joints, and transports nutrients to your muscles, allowing them to work at their best. So how much water should you drink during exercise? A good rule of thumb is to drink water before, during, and after your workout. The amount you need will depend on the intensity and duration of your exercise, as well as the climate you're exercising in. Let's face it, the weather can be a real game changer when it comes to hydration. Hot and humid weather can quickly deplete your body's water stores, making it even more crucial to stay on top of your hydration game. When the temperatures soar, your body loses fluids through sweat at an accelerated rate. This can lead to dehydration if you're not replenishing those fluids adequately. So, how can you stay hydrated in the heat? The key is to be proactive. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. And if you're spending time outdoors, take breaks in the shade or air conditioning to cool down and rehydrate. Avoid sugary drinks as they can actually dehydrate you further. Remember, staying hydrated in different climates is all about adapting your fluid intake to the demands of your environment. As we journey through different stages of life, our hydration needs evolve along with us. From infancy to our golden years, staying properly hydrated is essential for maintaining our health and well-being. Babies and young children are especially vulnerable to dehydration because their bodies have a higher water content compared to adults. It's crucial to ensure they're getting enough fluids, especially during periods of illness or hot weather. As we age, our sense of thirst may decline, making us less likely to reach for that water bottle. Additionally, certain medications commonly prescribed to older adults can have a diuretic effect, increasing fluid loss. It's essential to be mindful of these changes and make a conscious effort to drink enough water throughout the day. If you're caring for an older adult, encourage them to drink fluids regularly, especially if they're not showing signs of thirst. Believe it or not, the foods we eat can play a significant role in our hydration levels. While drinking water is essential, incorporating water-rich foods into our diet can provide an extra hydration boost. Fruits and vegetables in particular are like nature's water balloons. Watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, cucumbers, spinach and celery are just a few examples of foods that are packed with water and electrolytes. On the other hand, some foods can actually contribute to dehydration. Foods high in sodium like processed snacks, fast food and canned soups can cause your body to retain water, leading to dehydration. The key is to strike a balance. Aim to fill your plate with plenty of fruits, vegetables and other hydrating foods, while limiting your intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. Certain health conditions can affect our body's fluid balance, making it even more crucial to pay attention to our hydration needs. Let's shed some light on how specific health conditions can impact hydration. Conditions like fever, vomiting, and diarrhea can lead to significant fluid loss, increasing the risk of dehydration. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to drink plenty of fluids to replenish those lost electrolytes. Kidney stones are another condition where hydration plays a crucial role. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out the kidneys and can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Similarly, urinary tract infections, UTIs, can be prevented and treated with proper hydration. Drinking water helps flush out bacteria from the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. Remember, managing hydration alongside specific health conditions is all about working closely with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized plan that meets your individual needs. So, there you have it, folks. We've covered everything you need to know about staying hydrated and reaping its incredible benefits. Remember, even mild dehydration can impact your physical and mental performance, so make it a habit to drink water throughout the day even if you don't feel thirsty. Listen to your body's signals and adjust your fluid intake based on your activity level, climate, and overall health. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to About Life for more awesome health and wellness content. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay hydrated.